Today on How To, I'll show you guys how to remove your SIM and SD card from the Samsung A10e. So the first thing you'll need is a SIM tool, or some people call it the SIM popper. If you don't have one of these available, you can always use an earring or paper clip. Now, see this little hole on the side of the phone? That's where you're going to use that SIM tool to pop out the tray where the SD and the SIM card are. Now you're going to take the tool and you're just going to line it up with that little hole. Once you push it in there, you're going to push the pin into the phone, and there's a button inside that will allow the SIM tray to actually pop out. You take that SIM tray out, and you'll see here there's a shape for the, you'll see that there's one spot for the SIM and one spot for the micro SD. On this phone it's actually labeled, so it makes it a little easier for you. And that's where the SIM tray actually will go into once you put both of the items on this tray. You could put one or the other, you don't necessarily have to have both, so you can have just the SIM or just the SD. Once you have that on the tray, you're just going to place it right back inside of the phone, just like this, and the phone will automatically recognize both of the items or either or. So thank you for tuning in, guys. Make sure you share and subscribe.